Applying for an America tourist visa from the UK can be a straightforward process if you follow the correct steps. To begin, you need to determine if you are eligible for a visa waiver or if you require a non-immigrant visa. As a UK citizen, you are eligible for the Visa Waiver Program, which allows you to stay in the US for up to 90 days without a visa. However, if you plan to stay longer or for purposes other than tourism, you will need to apply for a non-immigrant visa. The first step in applying for a tourist visa is to complete the online application form, known as the DS-160. This form can be found on the U.S. Department of State website and requires you to provide personal and travel information. You will also need to upload a recent passport photo and pay the application fee, which is currently $160. Once you have completed the application form, you will need to schedule an interview at the U.S. Embassy in London. You can do this online or by phone, and it is recommended that you schedule the interview as early as possible, as wait times can be long. During the interview, a consular officer will ask you questions about your trip, including your travel plans, accommodation, and financial situation. In preparation for the interview, it is essential to gather the required documents, which include a valid passport, proof of income, and proof of ties to the UK, such as a job or family. You should also be prepared to provide detailed information about your travel plans, including your itinerary and accommodation arrangements. After the interview, your application will be processed, and you will be informed of the decision. If your application is approved, you will be issued a visa, which will be placed in your passport. You should receive your passport with the visa within a few days of the interview. It is essential to note that the U.S. Embassy may request additional documentation or information to support your application. It is also crucial to ensure that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date from the U.S. In conclusion, applying for an America tourist visa from the UK requires careful planning and preparation. By following the steps outlined above and providing the required documentation, you can increase your chances of a successful application. It is also recommended that you check the U.S. Department of State website for the latest information and requirements, as these can change frequently.